In this video, we will talk about uptrend and downtrend trading strategy. As you know, there are lots of trading strategy like using indicators, using support level, resistance level, even price action. But in here, I will show you how to find trend line, how to find the breakout, and how to draw your trend line, whether uptrend, downtrend, and I will show you how you can open a long position or how you can open a short position. No matter whether you're in a crypto, forex, is stock, but you can apply this method. You can apply this uptrend and downtrend trading strategy. So make sure watch this video. Don't skip any part of this video because I checked this strategy. This strategy will work 100%. So now let's get started. As usual, if you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about trading strategy, meme coins, cryptocurrency, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So don't forget, watch this two video, MACD and best trading strategy using 7 and 21 EMA. Even I uploaded video about what is RSI indicator. Okay, now in this video, step by step, I will show you how to find trend line, whether uptrend, downtrend, and when to open your long position or when to open a short position, even how to draw the trend line. So each and everything I will cover inside this video. Okay, first of all, what is a trend line? So a trend line is a line draw over pivot highs and under pivot lows to show the prevailing direction of price. Trend lines are a visual representation of support and resistance in any time frame. They show direction and speed of price and also describe patterns during periods of price construction. So, you know, we have lots of trend line, whether we can say support line, resistance line, uptrend, downtrend, sideways. But in today's video, we only discuss about uptrend and downtrend, even how you can use this trading strategy in order to make a huge profit. One thing I should tell you, with this trading strategy that I'm going to show you inside this video, you can make huge profit. Okay, first of all, how to find a trend line and then how to draw a trend line. Let me show you in here. Okay, now I will tell you how to draw a trend line or how to find a trend line. So in here, I can say this is a trend line. Trend line means the direction of the price. So now the direction of the price is upward. So I can say this is uptrend. I can say this is the direction that the price is going up. So the price will not go up directly. We can see a simple like a correction, a small test. So on that time you can make profit. During the correction, during the test, you can make profit. So I can say now this is uptrend. So now how you can draw a line? So simply from here, just draw a line in here. Now make sure, just try to draw a line as much time as the candle touch your line. So if I show you in here, the more candle touch the line, it means this is the heavy support, or I can say this is the correct trend line. You can see one time, two time, and here I can say three time, and then in here I can say four time. So I can say this is a support line because four time the price touch this line. So I can say this is a support line. So three times we bounce back from this support line. This line is a support line. So three times we bounce back from here, but and four times we just fall down. We cannot bounce back from this support line. You can check in here. So this is our fourth time that we touch this support line, but unfortunately we lost our momentum, we lost the buyer pressure. So now in here the price just break down this support line and now the price just fall down. Okay, now if I show you another example, so in here you can see this is again the example of uptrend. So I can say this is uptrend, like this is the direction of the price. So now if I draw a line in here, we can say uptrend line, like we can say a support line. So if I draw a support line or uptrend line in here, so you can see, as I told you, just draw your line and make sure the more candle touch your line, so it will be the heavy support. So you can see this in here, many candles touch this line, so it is a support line. So the price cannot break down the support line because this is a heavy support line. It means there are lots of buyers. So the price bounced back from here and then come down again, just found a support line, again bounce back and then again fall down in here. Again we just found a support line, again price bounce back. But in 4 times, you can see in here, in 4 times we just break down the support line. So we lose our momentum, we lose buyer pressure. So 3 times we bounce back from this line, but in 4 times we just break down the support line. It means that we lose our momentum, we lose buyer pressure. Now there are lots of seller pressures. Now the price will fall down, as you can check in here. So now if I show you another example of uptrend, so I can say this is uptrend, the direction of the price. So now how to draw your line, how to draw uptrend line. So make sure your line should touch the most of the candle, or I can say the wick of the candle, or I can say the closing of the candle, the body of the candle. Your line should touch the more candle because it will be the more support line, or I can say the heavy support line. So you can see in here, the price just touch the support line, bounce back and then come down. Again the price touch the support line, but again the price bounce back and then come down. In 3rd time we cannot bounce back from this support line. It means that we lose our momentum, buyer pressures decreased in here. So in 3rd time we just break down our support line and the price fall down. If I show you in here how beautifully the price fall down, in here you will get lots of profit. So that's why I am saying that with uptrend and downtrend line you will make a huge profit. So now I will tell you about confirmation, when to open your short position. As I told you, whenever you find uptrend, so on that time you will open a short position, not a long position. Now I will show you a confirmation. So now I will tell you about the confirmation. So you can see in here, as I told you, 3rd time we cannot bounce back from this support line, so we just break down this support line. So when to open your short position. So you can see this candle, this red candle. So whenever the candle, the closing candle should be below the support line, so it means that this is the confirmation. As you can see in here, this candle, the closing is below the support line. If I show you, you can see this candle, the closing is below the support line. This is the closing and this is our trend line. So now when to open a short position. So this is your confirmation. This candle is your confirmation. Why? Because the closing of the candle is below the support line. So you can open a short position from next candle, from here. You can open a short position from this candle. So now how beautifully the price just fall down. I know the price will test their support, this line, this support line. As you can see in here, price fall down, again bounce back, test this support line, and this support line become a resistance line, and then price fall down. So don't worry about this. Don't be in a panic. Don't just close your short position, because sometimes you can see the price will fall down, the breakout confirm, price will fall down, again price bounce back, just touch it's a previous support line, a support line become resistance line, again it will fall down. Now if I show you this example, so as I told you in here that whenever the candle, just the closing candle should be below the support line, so this is your confirmation. So you can see this candle, you can see, let me show you this candle, the closing is above the support line. You can see the wick of this candle, but the closing is above the support line. So this is not confirmation. Do not open your short position, but check the next candle. So the next candle, as I show you in here, this is the candle, so the closing is below the support line. So this is the confirmation. You can open your short position from the next candle from here, and you can see how beautifully the price fall down. One thing I should tell you in this video, I will not tell you about higher high, higher lows, or a lower high, a lower low, because in here the main focus is about the uptrend and downtrend, about the breakout, how to draw your trend line, and how you can open a short or long position. I will not talk about higher high, higher low. But if you find any question, just feel free to ask me in the comment section. Okay, now let's talk about a downtrend, how to find downtrend, or I can say how to find a resistance line in order to open a long position. So in here I can say this is a downtrend, as you can see the direction of the candle. So now how to draw a line? So the same thing, the same method you can apply as you applied for the uptrend. In here just draw a line, and you can see, as I told you, make sure as many candles touch your line, so it means it is heavy resistance line. So you can see in here the price just touch this resistance line and then fall down. Again try to break out this resistance line, again fall down, again try to break out, again fall down. But in fourth time the candle, or I can say the price, successfully the break out this line, break out this downtrend, or break out this resistance line, and the price just move upward. So if I show you another example, so this is another example. I can say this is a downtrend, so the direction is downward. So now simply draw a resistance line, or I can say draw a downtrend line in here, something like this. Now make sure to just draw your line correctly. So now you can see in here the candle touch to break this line, again fall down, again try to touch, again fall down, and then third time the candle finally or successfully break out this resistance line, and the price just go up. Okay, now I will tell you about the confirmation, how to open your long position whenever you draw a downtrend line. So make sure open a long position. So in here if I show you, so you can see in the uptrend I guide you completely, so I hope you should not face any problem with downtrend. So you can see in fourth time, or I can say third time, finally or successfully we just break out this resistance line, we just break out this downtrend line, because in here we see a buyer pressure. So how to find the confirmation, how to open your long position? Make sure whenever the candle, whenever the green candle, the closing should be above the line, so it means that this is the confirmation. It means that now the bull run will start. As you can see in here, the candle, the closing is above the resistance line. Also you can check the closing is above the resistance line, and you can open your long position from the next candle, which is this candle. So you can open your next candle from here, and then you can just take your profit. Sorry, one thing I should tell you, what is your take profit position? So your take profit position will be in here. This is your take profit position, or I can say this is your take profit target. So from the higher high of your trend, like in here this is the higher high, as you can check. So this is your target, this is your cash profit target. So make sure close your position in here. Although you can use any other indicator like MACD, RSI if you want to make more profit. Now let's talk about this example. So in here you can see in the fourth time we finally break out this line, and now when to open your long position. So this candle is your confirmation candle. As you can see, the closing of the candle is above this line. So from the next candle you can just open your long position. And then in here you can see finally how beautifully the price move upward. Like you can check, this is your huge profit. If I show you in here how much profit you get in here, yeah, about 10% profit. If you open with 10x leverage, so 100% profit. So this is how a downtrend or uptrend will give you a lots of profit. Although according to this downtrend, your target will be let me show in here, your target will be the higher high of this price. This is your target. But if you use any indicator, if you use any MACD or price action, you can just take profit more and more. You can just put your take profit target high. So in here, how you can use the downtrend, how you can use uptrend in order to make profit. So I hope you understand this video. This was all about uptrend and downtrend trading strategy. So this video is end up in here. If you have any problem, any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section, because using the uptrend and downtrend, people can make lots of profit. Instead of your scalping, instead of a short profit, try to find any uptrend, try to find any downtrend, because you will make lots of profit. So now you understand, now you learn about this trading strategy. So this is time to do paper trading. For the first time, start with paper trading, start with demo trading in order to understand this strategy, in order to just find the accuracy inside this strategy on that time. Once you become perfect, after that, start with your real fund and make profit. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, if you understand this video, so make sure to smash the like button to a new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.